Annyeonghaseyo Yorubun. Today our class is about chapter number 16. So let's start. Chib Ku Hagi. Chib is home. Ku Hagi is finding. He is saying Phangi. Phangi is room. Chum a little. Chakneo small. The room is a little small. She is answering Phangan room. Chakjiman small but. Choyong is quiet, hago, and kekat is clean heo. The room is small but very clean and very quiet. Now we have OV number 1. Chugon hyong the kwalyon ohuvi. The types of housing. Number 1 is apathe. This is apartment. Villa is small apartment. Chutek is house and home. Officetel is workspace and office space. Ki suksa room. One room is studio apartment. Khushiwan is a little room. Mostly these are for students. Now Chip Khuhagi is finding a house. Number one, Budung San e Khada. Budung San is a real estate agency. Khada, go there. Chebal Araphoda is to look for a house. Then Chebal Phoda, then to view a house. Isa Hada is shifting and to move. Kheyak is a contract. Kheyak Hada is to sign the contract. Then Kheyak Gum. Gum is for money. For advance payment of a house, Neda is to pay. To pay the holding deposit. Now there are some other important vocabulary. Hutak is favor. Volse is monthly rent. Phujangam is security deposit. Khuhada to find. Kannada to expire and to end. Pyonhada convenient and comfortable. Now we have exercise number 1. Odi eso sarayo. Chotek. Our answer is Chotek. Chotek eso sarayo. I am living in a house. Odi eso sarayo. One room eso sarayo. Odi e khayo. Where you are going. Hisuksa e khayo. I am going to my room. Odi e khayo. Where you are going. Khoshiwan e khayo. I am going to small room's house. Now we have Munfob. Go Shipda is want. I want to drink water. I want to eat pizza like this. There are some examples. One room eso salgo shipoyo. I want to live in one room. Chumare cheb eso shigo shipoyo. I want to take rest on weekend at home. Pujangam san chib. Cheap security deposit home. Ku hago shipoyo. I want to find. Now we have some words we have to complete sentence. Number 1. Choyong han quiet. Chutek house. Eso. Salgo shipoyo. We can add here number 1. I want to live in a quiet house. Number 2, Valse. Valse is monthly rent. Sun is cheap, one room. Ku hago shipoyo. I want to find. I want to find a room which is very cheap. Number 3, now we have to add number 3, this one. Chumare on weekend, chun pilla, a good apartment. Isa hago shipoyo. I want to shift. Number 4, Uri Khoyang, my home country. Saram Dal people. Hanguk Korean. Havesa in company. Eso il hago shipoyo. And my three people want to work in a Korean company. Now we have some exercise. Phogi is Chonan cheb eso shigo shipoyo. I want to take rest at my home. Number 1. We can say Budung san e so Chibal ara pogo shipoyo. I want to look a good house through the real estate company. Number 2. Chonyo ke 집을 보고 싶어요. In the evening, I want to view a house. Number 3. 다음 주에 이사하고 싶어요. In next week, I want to shift. Number 4. 내년에 아파트에서 살고 싶어요. From next year, I want to live in apartment. Now we have conversation number 1. So let's listen.
다라 씨, 부탁이 있어요.
다라 씨, 부탁이 있어요. I have a favor to ask.
이번 주말에 나하고 같이 부동산에 가주세요.
이번 주말에 on this weekend. 나하고, 나 is also I. 나하고 같이 with me. 부동산 real estate company 가주세요. Can you go with me?
알겠어요. 그런데 부동산은 왜 가요?
알겠어요. I understand. 그런데 by the way, 부동산은 왜 가요? Why you are going to a real estate company?
다음 달에 원룸 계약이 끝나요.
다음 달 next month. One room, my room, 계약 contract 끝나요 is going to end.
월세가 비싸서 이사하고 싶어요.
월세 is monthly rent. Pisa expensive. So because of 이사 shifting 하고 싶어요. I want to shift because the rent is expensive.
그러면 우리 집 근처 부동산에 가요.
그러면 therefore 우리 집 our house 근처 near 부동산 real estate agency에 가요. We can go there.
우리 집 근처가 월세가 싸요.
우리 집 근처가 near our home 월세가 the rent is 싸요 very cheap. So we have two questions. 차야 씨는 언제 부동산에 갈 거예요? 차야 씨 언제 when 부동산 real estate agency 갈 거예요? She will go. 이번 주말에 갈 거예요. She will go this coming weekend. Number 2. 차야 씨는 왜 이사하고 싶어요? She want to shift because of monthly rent. So our answer is 월세가 비싸서 이사하고 싶어요. Because of monthly high rent, she want to shift her home. Now we have a exercise with these words. This is 어디에서 where 살고 싶어요. You want to live. Where you want to live. 아파트에서 살고 싶어요. I want to live in apartment. 왜요? Why? 생활이 편해서요. Because the life will be convenient and easy. Now we will make our sentences with these words. We can say 어디에서 일하고 싶어요. Where you want to work. Our answer is 한국에서 일하고 싶어요. I want to work in Korea. 왜요? Why? 한국이 좋아서요. Because Korea is very good. Now we have a pronunciation. So let's listen.
1. 사,
사,
시,
she,
싸,
사,
시.
she.
2. 시작,
시작.
시원하다,
시원하다.
씨앗,
씨앗.
아저씨,
아저씨. Now we have OV number 2. Nolbda is wide and Chobda is narrow and small. Kekat Hada is clean and Thoropda is dirty. Choyong Hada is quiet and Shikropda is noisy. Phang is room and Chib is home. Now purely hada is convenient and bulpyeon hada is to be inconvenient. Kyothong transport, chuda is good and napada is bad. Chonmang is view, manda is many and pujok hada is to be lacking. Pyoni shisol is facilities. Now we have to complete these sentences. Number 1. Chibi khakavayo, your home is near. Anyo moroyo, my home is far. Number 2. Hangi oteo, how is the room? Kekatheo, it's very clean. Number 3. Ki suksaga oteo, how is your dormitory? We can say nolboyo, it's very wide. Pyoni shisoli manayo, is there facilities available? Anyo pujak heo, there are a lack of facilities. Now we have munfab number 2. Jiman is but. Now we have some examples. Uri chib vulsega. Pisa jiman chongmangi chuayo. Uri chib our house. Vulse monthly rent. Pisa expensive. Jiman but. Chonmang is view. Chuayo it's on very good view. Number 2. Kisuksa eso pyoni joman. Kakap jiman shi jangan moroyo. Kisuksa eso from my room. Pyoni jom convenient store. Kakap jiman is near but. Shijang market moroyo very far. Number 3. Irur e jiman. Chulgan hea deo. Because this is Sunday but you have to do work. Now there are some words we have to put a G-man and complete our sentences. Uri chib an. Our house Kyothongi. Kyothong is traffic. We can add here number 1, this one, Bulpyeon Hajiman. Uri chiban Kyothongi Bulpyeon Hajiman Chonmangi chuayo. The traffic is not convenient near our house, but there are a good view over there. Number 2. Havesa e Huge Sharon. Huge Shul is lounge and rest area. In our company, there is a lounge. We can add Ichiman. Number 2. This one. Ichiman, but Mechomi Opsoyo snack area is not available. Number 3. Ki suksa phangan, my room is choyong hajiman. We will add number 3, this one. Choyong is quiet. My room is very quiet, but Samoshil office is very noisy shikrovayo. Number 4. E one room, this one room. Volsega monthly rent. Pisa jiman. Number 4 we will add this one. Pisa jiman is expensive but nulb go wide and kekathyo very clean. Now we have a practice to locate one sentence with the other one. Number 1. Oje pisa jiman. Yesterday I was busy but onaran today hangahyo I am free. Number 2. Chumar e jiman. Weekend as it's weekend but chulgan heya deo, we have to do work. Number 3. Volse monthly rent. Pisa jiman. Pisa jiman is very expensive but Pyoni shisol facilities are manayo many. Number 4. Chiachol yok subway train station. Mol jiman very far but Bus Chongryojang bus station Khakavayo is near. Now we have conversation number 2. Let's listen.
어서 오세요.
어서 오세요. Welcome.
어떻게 오셨어요?
어떻게 오셨어요? How can I help you?
원룸을 알아보고 싶어서 왔어요.
One room. 알아보고 싶어서 왔어요. I am here to look for a studio apartment.
지하철역 근처에 조용한 원룸이 하나 있어요.
지하철역 train station 근처에 near 조용한 quiet one room 하나 one 있어요 available there.
월세가 얼마예요?
월세 monthly rent 얼마예요? How much it is?
50만 원이에요.
50만 원이에요. It's 5 lakh won.
조금 비싸지만 깨끗해요.
조금 a little 비싸지만 expensive but 깨끗해요 very clean.
그리고 근처에 편의시설이 많아서 좋아요.
그리고 and 근처에 near 편의 시설 facilities 많아서 many 좋아요 it's good. Now we have two questions. Carlo 씨는 어디에 갔어요? Where did Carlo go? Our answer is 부동산에 갔어요. He went to real estate agency. Next question is 직원은 카를로 씨에게 어떤 원룸 소개해 주었어요? What kind of studio apartment did the worker show Carlo? So our answer will be 조용한 원룸 하나 소개해 줬어요. We can answer this one. 조용한 원룸이 하나 소개해 줬어요. The worker show Carlo a good and quiet room. Now we have an exercise. 이 오피스텔 어때요? How's this office-tel? 방이 좁네요. The room is very narrow. 네, yes. 방은 room 좁지만 narrow but 월세가 싸요. The rent is cheap. Now we will make our sentence with these given words. 이 빌라는 어때요? How's about this villa? 전망이 안 좋네요. The view is not good here. 네, 전망이 안 좋지만 지하철역이 가까워요. The view is not good here, but the train station is near. Now we have a useful expression. Let's listen.
아무거나 잘 먹어요.
아무거나 is everything. 잘 먹어요. I eat.
무슨 음식을 좋아해요?
무슨 음식? Which kind of food 좋아해요? Do you like?
저는 특별히 좋아하는 거 없어요.
저는 I 특별 especially 좋아하는 like 것은 없어요. I don't have anything I especially like.
아무거나 잘 먹어요.
아무거나 잘 먹어요. I can eat anything well. Thanks for watching.